Welcome back to my channel. This is Eric with Eric C Productions, and today I'm going to be making Panda Express orange flavored chicken. It's going to be similar to Panda Express. It's not the actual recipe because I don't work there and I don't know what they do, but just so for this video's sake, I am making orange flavored chicken Panda Express style. So please, if you haven't seen any of my videos, please watch them. If this is your first time, thank you for clicking on, and I hopefully you'll find that my videos are interesting, and if they are, and you want to see more of them, please click the like button, hit a comment, and then also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. And these are the items that you're going to be needing first. Okay, so this is what we're going to need now. We're going to need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And here you can see I did 2 pounds because actually I'm going to be making more than a pound. You're going to need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then you're going to need cornstarch as well because that's going to be what you're going to be coating the chicken with. Okay, so I mixed everything together. So the egg, salt, and sugar all together in here. I'm going to take this and now make it into, pour it into the cornstarch here to bread it, pretty much. In the meantime, I have 2 cups of oil in here. No, actually, you know what? I'm sorry. I have 3 cups of oil in here. This is like a little a fryer. So I'm going to be heating it up while I prepare the chicken. So as I'm breading it up, I'm heating this up. This automatically heats up to the temperature that it needs to be. And then I am going to fry it for about, I'd say about 4 minutes because the pieces aren't that big. So I'm going to cook it for about 4 minutes. And here's another tip that I use. It comes with a little thing that you just drop in there too. As well as I use skewers. And skewers are good for just turning it around so it doesn't stick to the bottom. As well as picking up the little pieces from the breading as well. Okay, so I prepared my chicken. As you can see, everything is coated in cornstarch. I used the whole pound of it, so a whole container of it. It's usually about 16 ounces. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on this and put it in this, and then I am going to fry it in there for about 4 minutes. Okay, so I had enough to fill up the bottom of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it on. Turn on the timer, 4 minutes. You can see it's going to fry for a while. And let me get the skewer, and I'm going to show you what I do while I'm. So what I do is I use a skewer, so I don't even have to go anywhere close to the oil. And just kind of turn it around so it kind of starts frying and separating so it doesn't stick to the bottom of that tray. You can see it's right there. Okay, the 4 minutes are up. Taking it out. I just poured on this like a wire rack, just so I can keep kind of like get that oils out of it. And I'm going to continue with this batch here. You can see they come out pretty nice and golden brown. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this whole batch first, and then I'm going to work on making the sauce. So there you go. Okay, the chicken is done. You can see I fried it all. Okay, my next step is to make the sauce. The sauce is going to consist of half a cup of ketchup, 1 cup of water. I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of, and plus 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and you're going to need 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, as you can see there. as well as 1 tablespoon of grated orange zest. So these are all the things you're going to need. Let me put the, I forgot to put cornstarch. So let me make a note. There you go, cornstarch. I also forgot to mention that you need to put in half a cup of sugar. So as you can see there, I mixed it all together. Okay, keep in mind I set this aside. This is the orange zest, as well as the green onions and the oil. That's set aside. Everything else I mixed together. Kind of looks like a tomato soup a little bit. And that is going to be put on the stove. So I mixed it all together, and then I'm going to put it on the stove. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to heat up the oil, and I'm going to bring this to bring it up hot. And what I'm going to do is I am going to take all this and pretty much toast it for about, I'd say about, I don't know, about 30 seconds. Okay, I think it's hot enough. Let's go ahead and add the orange zest and the green onions. Stir it all together. Turn down the match. Get this thing all heated up and cooked. See, it's almost all toasted. Okay, 30 seconds have passed, and I am now adding the mix. And this is the sauce that I'm making. And as you can see, start stirring it a little bit. Add the orange zest. And I'm gonna, you have to stir frequently here. And then you're gonna be cooking this for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna let this thicken for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, I'm sorry, 10 to 12. 12 to 15. So the cornstarch in there will actually thicken the sauce. So I am gonna continue heating this up. And then as soon as I am done, I'm gonna mix it together. And then, there you go. You got your Panda Express style orange flavored chicken. Okay, I am finished with the sauce. As you can see there, this chicken is all ready to go. Then I am going to add the sauce to the chicken. The 12 and 15 minutes has passed, and you can see the sauce has thickened. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour it right onto the actual chicken itself. There you go. Let it steam.
Do we have any?
Okay, and that is the finished product. This is orange chicken, and it tastes a lot like Panda Express.